there, Hannah here with Delta Faucet. Today I'm going to walk you through how to install a Delta In2ition Showerhead. This product adds extra functionality without requiring any changes to your plumbing. And the best part is this upgrade is both quick and straightforward. So let's collect the tools you may need to install this showerhead. You may need an adjustable wrench and also a towel for some light water cleanup and maybe a pair of pliers. All right, if you're ready, let's get started. To remove your old shower head, you're going to unscrew it by turning this ball joint here counterclockwise. And when you do that, you want to make sure that you hold on to the shower arm back here so that it also doesn't unscrew from the wall. You just want to take off your shower head. Now, I can take mine off by just using my hand, but if yours is stuck, you can use an adjustable wrench. You just want to make sure that if you're planning on reusing your shower head, that you're not going to scratch your shower head surface. All right, so when you take this off, there might be a little bit of water that comes out. So you might just have a towel handy. There also might be some thread tape on your shower arm. If there is, you just want to remove it, get that all cleaned off. And once you do, we can come back here and move on to the next step. I've got our shower head here, and before we put this in, we want to make sure that the gasket is still seated in this ball joint here. So mine is in place. Now we can go ahead and line it up with the threads on our shower arm. And I'm not using any thread tape or any tools. And I want to make sure I don't cross thread. So I'm going to go ahead and just get this hand tight. All right. So this is snug now, but it's not in the correct orientation. So a pro tip here is to grab some pliers or something equivalent or similar that you have at home, and you can use the handle of the pliers here. You're gonna put those around the ball joint, apply just a little bit of pressure, and that'll keep that ball joint in place so you don't screw the shower head on anymore and crush that gasket inside. It'll allow you to move the shower head without moving that ball joint. All right, so go ahead and get it correctly oriented. That looks good. All right, now we can move on. Now it's time to connect our hose. First step here is to check to make sure that each end has a gasket that's seated properly. All right, now you can use either end and connect it to the bottom of your shower head. Again, making sure not to over tighten or cross thread. We're just gonna make this hand snug. Okay, now we'll take the other side of our hose and connect our hand shower, doing the same steps. Again, making sure not to over tighten or cross thread. Okay, should look just like that. All right, to dock this, you're just gonna apply some light pressure and line up those tabs down here at the bottom. Just seats in just like that. Now to undock it, you can grab the hand shower here. I think it's easiest to just place your thumb right here on the shower head and pull towards you, and it easily undocks. All right, so we'll go ahead and dock it back in. The last step is to turn on your water and check for leaks at all of your connections. And that wraps up our install. If you have any questions, as always, you can reach out to the Delta Faucet customer service team. They're more than happy to help.